Hello everyone, and welcome to beautiful Miami Beach, Florida. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a local, there's always something new to discover here. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and there's a warm ocean breeze, perfect for a walk. The sound of the waves and the scent of salt in the air instantly put you in a vacation mood. Today, we're exploring the famous South Beach, a place bursting with energy and color. Every corner here feels alive, from the pastel Art Deco buildings to the buzzing sidewalks. You can feel the city's rhythm and the sea's calm all at once. It's a unique blend that makes South Beach so captivating. So, grab your sunglasses and let's dive into this adventure together. There's so much to see, from the sparkling shoreline to the lively streets just steps away. Imagine you're here. The air is salty, palm trees rustle, and there's laughter in the distance. The energy is contagious, and every moment feels like a celebration. South Beach isn't just a place, it's a feeling of freedom and fun. People from all walks of life come together to enjoy the sun, sand, and vibrant culture. We'll discover what makes this neighborhood so special. Vibrant streets, historic architecture, and a melting pot of cultures. Every block tells a story, and every face adds to the mosaic. Our walk is relaxed, no rush, just soaking in the sights and sounds. Take your time, and let the atmosphere wash over you. I want you to feel like you're right beside me, enjoying the sun and the stories these streets tell. Every smile and every step reveals something new. South Beach is a place of contrasts. Glamour meets simple beach joy. High-end boutiques sit next to cozy cafés. It's where luxury and laid-back vibes blend seamlessly. It's a true melting pot, welcoming everyone. No matter who you are, you'll find your place here. I can't wait to show you my favorite hidden gems. There are secret spots and quiet corners waiting to be discovered. Ready? Let's begin our walk. Take a deep breath, and let's step into the magic of South Beach together. Let's step into the heart of South Beach and see what makes it unforgettable. There's an adventure waiting around every corner. Let's go explore. Our adventure starts on the world-famous Ocean Drive. To our right, the Atlantic Ocean sparkles. To our left, pastel Art Deco buildings stand proud. This street is the heartbeat of South Beach, full of life, color, and excitement. People stroll, cycle, and rollerblade, all soaking up the sun. Classic convertibles cruise by, music drifts from open windows, and palm trees sway in the breeze. The atmosphere is electric, a blend of relaxation and energy. Ocean Drive is where you can watch the world go by or jump right into the action. Listen, Latin music from a cafe, laughter from the beach, and conversations in many languages. This is Miami's diversity on display. Morning joggers, afternoon diners, and neon-lit nights. Ocean Drive is always alive. It's the perfect place to start our tour, capturing the essence of South Beach. Let's keep walking and see what else awaits. The adventure is just beginning. Onward to our next stop. Let's cross over to Lummus Park, a lush green ribbon stretching gracefully between the lively Ocean Drive and the sparkling sands of the beach. This iconic park is a true gem of Miami Beach, inviting everyone to slow down and soak in its beauty. Instantly, you feel peace. Soft grass cushions your steps, tall palms sway gently overhead, and the endless ocean glimmers in the distance, creating a tranquil escape from the city's energy. It's the community's front yard, where locals and visitors gather to play, relax, and exercise. Friends toss frisbees, families share laughter, and solo visitors find a quiet moment under the shade. Volleyball games spark friendly competition, while bikers and rollerbladers glide along the winding paths. Outdoor gyms buzz with energy as people work out in the fresh air. Yet, despite all the activity, it remains a tranquil oasis, where you can simply sit and watch the sunlight filter through the palms. Take a deep breath. The air is salty and sweet, tinged with the scent of tropical flowers blooming all around you. The ocean breeze cools your skin as you wander the winding paths, each turn offering a new perspective of the park's lush landscape. Lummus Park is a sensory experience. Vivid sights, soothing sounds of waves and birds, and the gentle rustle of palm leaves all blend together. It's perfect for people watching, families picnicking on the grass, couples strolling hand in hand, and artists capturing the scenery in their sketchbooks. The park is a beautiful buffer, separating the city's buzz from the calm of the ocean, offering a peaceful retreat right in the heart of Miami Beach. It reminds us to slow down, unwind, and savor the simple pleasures that nature and community bring. Find a spot on the grass, soak in the panoramic view, and let yourself recharge, surrounded by the park's natural beauty. This is Miami Beach's natural beauty at its best, a place where city life and seaside serenity meet. Ready to keep exploring? Let's continue our walk through this green oasis, discovering new corners and hidden gems along the way. There's so much more to see. Lummus Park is just the beginning of your Miami Beach adventure. Now, let's head into the heart of the Art Deco district, where every street corner feels like a step into a vibrant, living postcard. This area boasts the world's largest collection of Art Deco architecture, soft curves, geometric patterns, and pastel colors everywhere you look. The buildings line the streets like a parade of architectural jewels, each one telling its own story. Each building is like a piece of candy: pinks, blues, yellows, and mint greens. The colors are so inviting, they almost seem to glow in the Florida sunshine, creating a cheerful, uplifting atmosphere. Stop and admire iconic hotels like the Colony or the Carlisle. These landmarks have graced postcards and movie screens, becoming symbols of Miami Beach's unique charm. Notice the unique details: window eyebrows, porthole windows, and spires inspired by ocean liners and Hollywood glamour. Every curve and angle was designed to capture the imagination. These buildings were designed to be optimistic and modern, a fantasy escape from everyday life. Their playful shapes and colors invite you to dream and explore. In the 1970s, locals fought to save this unique architecture, earning the district a spot on the National Register of Historic Places. Their dedication preserved a piece of history for future generations. Thanks to their passion, we can enjoy this outdoor museum today. Visitors from around the world come to stroll these streets and soak in the atmosphere. At night, neon lights transform the district into a glowing wonderland. The buildings take on a new life, shimmering with energy and excitement. The pastels of day become electric pinks, blues, and greens, painting the night with dazzling color and retro flair. Walking here after sunset feels like stepping back in time, as if you're part of a glamorous era filled with jazz, cocktails, and endless summer nights. The blend of history and vibrant nightlife makes South Beach truly special. It's a place where the past and present dance together in perfect harmony. It's a visual feast you won't forget, with every block offering something new to discover and admire. Let's keep moving and discover even more of this unforgettable district together. All this walking calls for a taste of Miami's incredible food scene. South Beach is a paradise for food lovers, especially with its Latin American and Caribbean influences. Try a cafecito from Aventanita, a strong, sweet Cuban espresso, perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Or share a colada with friends, a true Miami tradition. Cool off with fresh tropical juices, mango, pineapple, or passion fruit, or a scoop of coconut or guava ice cream. Outdoor patios along Ocean Drive offer everything from ceviche to Cuban sandwiches. The food here is as colorful and diverse as the city itself. Sampling local flavors is the best way to experience South Beach culture. Come hungry. You won't be disappointed. Let's savor every bite as we continue our journey. Now, let's head inland to Lincoln Road, the living room of South Beach. This pedestrian street is lined with gardens, fountains, and art. No cars, just people. Designed by Morris Lapidus, it's a blend of shopping, dining, and culture. High-end boutiques, art galleries, and independent shops make it a shopper's paradise. Outdoor dining is a highlight. Enjoy global cuisine or a coffee on a sunny patio. In the evening, the street glows with soft lights and lively conversation. Lincoln Road is also a cultural hub, with farmers, markets, antique fairs, and the historic Colony Theater. It's the social heart of South Beach, always buzzing with activity. Whether you're shopping, eating, or people watching, there's something for everyone. Take your time and soak in the cosmopolitan vibe. This is where Miami's creative spirit shines. Let's see what stories these streets have to tell. Every corner of South Beach has a story. Once a mangrove swamp, it became a glamorous playground thanks to visionaries like Carl Fisher. Miami Beach was incorporated in 1915, and soon celebrities like Sinatra and Elvis flocked here. Their legacy of style and excitement still lingers. The iconic Casa Casuarina, once home to Gianni Versace, is a symbol of South Beach's drama and luxury. But it's not just about the famous. The Cuban exiles, artists, and everyday locals have shaped this community. Their stories, struggles, and celebrations give South Beach its unique character. The sidewalks here are alive with history and hope. Take a moment to imagine the lives that have passed through these streets. South Beach is a tapestry of cultures and dreams. Every step tells a tale. Pause and listen. The soundtrack of South Beach is unforgettable. Ocean waves, seagulls, and rustling palms create a soothing backdrop. Add in Latin music, laughter, and the buzz of outdoor cafés. Rollerblades on pavement, bicycle bells, and friendly chatter fill the air. The scents are just as vivid: salty sea air, tropical flowers, and delicious food from nearby restaurants. Smell the garlic from an Italian kitchen, smoky barbecue, or sweet churros. Even sunscreen in the sun becomes part of the sensory memory. These sounds and smells define South Beach as much as its sights. They create a powerful sense of place and belonging. Take time to notice these details. They make every visit memorable. This is paradise for all your senses. Let's carry these memories with us. Our walk is almost complete. Our South Beach tour is ending, but your adventure is just beginning. We've explored Ocean Drive, Lummus Park, the Art Deco district, and Lincoln Road. We've tasted the flavors, heard the stories, and soaked in the sights and sounds. There's so much more to discover. Relax on the beach, bike along the coast, visit galleries, or dance the night away. South Beach is a place of optimism, creativity, and joyful energy. Cultures blend, history meets modernity, and natural beauty surrounds you. I hope you felt a bit of Miami's magic today. Come walk these sunny streets, feel the ocean breeze, and create your own memories. Whether you seek relaxation or excitement, you'll find it here. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. I hope you're inspired to visit soon. Your sunny adventure is waiting. See you in Miami Beach.